So now, so far, we have been doing models, and we have almost covered all the aspects of model. आज हम must और have to, we are going to touch upon these two models, must or have to. At first sight, these two models, they look almost the same, but gradually, as we progress into this slides, आपको एक difference पता चलेगा कि what is the difference in the use of must and the use of have to. Here is a dialogue for you all. What is that? Wearing glasses. Let us start. Usha, I didn't see you in class yesterday afternoon. Carol, I had to go to an oculist. Is anything the matter? Carol, Carol, my eyes, I'm short sighted. I hope you don't have to wear glasses. Yes, I do. I have bad headaches if I read more than 10 minutes. What a pity. You know, men don't make passes at girls who wear glasses. I know. So I'll have to put by some money for a pair of contact lenses. Aren't they expensive? Yes, they are. I will have to save 40 rupees a month for a year to be able to buy them. काफी पुराना डायलॉग है where 40 rupees used to mean a lot. Nowadays, this amount does not mean much to us. Never mind, when you get them, you will be as attractive as you are. See, here we have made the use of have to, like this. Here, past tense of have to, had to. Then here, don't have to. This is negative of have to. And then again here, have to. And again here, have to. ठीक है? In Hindi, if we take, तो what we will say? कि जरूरत नहीं होती. I don't have to wear glasses. ग्लास पहनने की जरूरत नहीं होती. Like, या फिर इधर I'll have to put by some money. थोड़ा पैसा जो है बचाना पड़ेगा. Then again, have to बचाना पड़ेगा. Fine. And so when we use have to, मतलब there is some sort of obligation, or you can say some compulsion is there. Now let us read the use here. Some people make a distinction between must and have to. What? क्या डिफरेंस है? मस्ट और हैव टू में डिफरेंस क्या है? मस्ट expresses an obligation imposed by the speaker. Fine. जबकि का must shows obligation, whereas have to expresses an obligation imposed by external circumstances. See how must तो एक आपका इनर ऑब्लिगेशन दिखाता है, जबकि का हैव टू जो है वो एक ऑब्लिगेशन दिखाता है जो कि एक्सटर्नल सर्कमस्टांसेस के द्वारा आप पर इम्पोज किया गया है. लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल. यू मस्ट कट योर हेयर शॉर्ट. These are my orders. You have to cut your hair short now that you have joined the army. नाउ दिस इज द ऑब्लिगेशन कि तुम्हें छोटे कराने पड़ेंगे बिकॉज यू हैव ज्वाइन द आर्मी, क्योंकि आपने आर्मी ज्वाइन करी है, दैट इज वाई। और इसका मीनिंग क्या है? यू मस्ट कट योर हेयर शॉर्ट, कि तुम्हें अपने बाल छोटे रखने चाहिए, काटने चाहिए। नाउ लेट अस टेक फ्यू मोर एग्जाम्पल, जिसमें कि आपको ये क्लियर हो जाएगा कि मस्ट और हैव टू में हम किसको वी शुड यूज। We can use both must and have to, but while speaking, you will realize कि which one is better. See now, I must obey my parents, okay, and I have to obey my parents. So the examples I have given you, I have given you I have given you here four sentences, और इसमें दो एग्जाम्पल हैं, सब में दो ऑप्शन है, ए और बी और ए और बी। और रिमेंबर कि वी प्रिफर ए टू बी। व्हाट इज दैट? आई मस्ट ओबे माई पेरेंट्स, करना चाहिए। दिस इज योर ऑब्लिगेशन कि हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स को ओबे करना चाहिए। आई हैव टू ओबे माई पेरेंट्स, ये इसका हिंदी में क्या निकलेगा कि मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स को ओबे करना पड़ता है। अच्छा, रिमेंबर बोथ शो द ऑब्लिगेशन, मस्ट और हैव टू, ये दोनों ही ऑब्लिगेशन शो करते हैं, लेकिन मस्ट shows your inner obligation or have to is by external circumstances. One more example, everybody has to pay more house rent. Remember, A is preferable. A is preferable. Everybody has to pay more house rent. The tax on property has gone up. So this is preferable. ये sentence ज़्यादा सही है rather than this one. Everybody must pay more house rent. The tax on property has gone up. So this is preferable. Everybody has to pay. Because the tax on property has gone up, this is the external circumstances. So here has to. Now, in the first person, in the first instance, this difference may not be very important. शुरू में ये आपको बहुत important नहीं लगता है, but have to should be preferred. लेकिन जब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो वी कम टू दिस कंक्लूजन, हम ये रियलाइज करते हैं कि हैव टू जो है शुड बी प्रिफर्ड फॉर हैबिट्स। हैव टू जो है हैबिट्स के लिए काम में आता है, और मस्ट इज यूज्ड फॉर एन एप्लीकेशन दैट इज अर्जेंट और इंपॉर्टेंट। फाइन, हैव टू इज फॉर हैबिट्स and must is for an obligation. See the example. I have to put the cat out every night. रोज रात को बाहर बिल्ली को छोड़ना पड़ता है। Fine. Habit. I must tell him the news at once. Obligation. He has been promoted. We don't have to go to school on Sundays. Again, habit. See, हैव टू जो है आपके रूटीन की हैबिट के लिए आता है। वी डोंट हैव टू गो टू स्कूल ऑन संडेज। आई मस्ट गो टू स्कूल टुडे, इट इज द लास्ट डे। व्हाई इट इज ऑब्लिगेशन? इट इज ऑब्लिगेशन, ये ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं, ये वाला मस्ट। और ये ऑब्लिगेशन क्यों है? इट इज द लास्ट डे फॉर पेइंग द टर्म फीस। हमें स्कूल इसलिए जाना चाहिए क्योंकि ये हमारा लास्ट डे है। So this is obligation, this is habit. Again this is obligation. Why obligation? क्योंकि someone has been promoted, किसी का promotion हुआ है। Now fill in the blanks. I have come up with few fill in the blanks for you. Question mark. Few questions for you. So what is that? Dash you dash join the you dash join the Air Force. That is the best career for you. Let us see. Have or must? So you join the Air Force, that is best career for you. If you do, you dash do drills, physical training and cross country walking. Then see, it is going to be rather trying, but you dash go through these hardships without weakening in your resolve. Resolve means determination. You dash obey your instructors. And the last, I dash go now. It is getting late. You dash think about the things I said. तो ये हमारे क्वेश्चंस हैं where we have to use either have to or must. Now let us take the sentences with answers. You must join the Air Force. That is best career for you. If you do, अगर करते हो, this is conditional sentence भी है ये आपके लिए. If you do, you will have to do drills. Remember, जब हम कंडीशनल सेंटेंस काम में लेते हैं तो फर्स्ट जो कंडीशन होती है फुलफिल्ड कंडीशन, उसमें इधर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस काम आता है, तो इधर यहाँ पे सिंपल फ्यूचर वी यूज. सो इफ यू डू, you will have to do. Verb is already there, only you have to use have to. So if you do, you will have to do drills. It is going to be trying, but you go through these hardships, must go through these hardships. You obey your instructors. You must obey your instructors. I must go now. It is getting late. You must think about the things I said. So this is what we usually, this is how we usually use have to or must. Have to में आपकी habit के कारण आपको have to use में लेते हैं, और must जो है ये आपके लिए आपका obligation दिखाता है. These are the answers. Now see, now again I have come up with 5 sentences जहां पे हमने must और have to को use में लिया है. अब ये देखिए आप, soldiers must obey orders without question. Fine, soldiers को करना ही है. They must salute and the later are expected to return the salute. They must salute the officers and the later are expected to return the salute. They don't have to salute officers when they are not in uniform. They don't have to salute officers. Once a year, soldiers get free railway passes to go home on leave, but they must travel in uniform. Some cinemas sell tickets at lower rates to soldiers, but they have to be in uniform to claim the concession. तो ये जो हमने सेंटेंस काम में लिए हैं, तो वहां in some sentences must is used, जहां पे कि ऑब्लिगेशन दिखाया गया है, और कहीं पे जो है they don't have to, तो यहां पे जो है have to आया है. Here it is must. तो कहीं पे must है, कहीं have to है, तो must आपका ऑब्लिगेशन दिखा रहा है, और जो have to है ये आपका have to जो है ये आपकी हैबिट दिखा रहा है. Now they don't have to salute officers. तो यहाँ पे ये हैबिट है कि आपको ऑफिसर्स को तब सैल्यूट नहीं करना है जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं है. अब what is our question now? Put these sentences into singular. अब सिंगुलर में करना है. तो अब आपको क्या देखना है कि चाहे हम सिंगुलर काम में लें या प्लूरल, मस्ट और हैव टू के रूल्स वही सेम रहते हैं, एंड देयर आर नॉट मच चेंजेस. कैसे? सोल्जर्स की जगह सोल्जर, मस्ट ओबे ऑर्डर. दे की जगह ही मस्ट सैल्यूट ऑल ऑफिसर्स. and the later are expected. He, दे की जगह इसको सिंगुलर बनाना है, तो दे की जगह he does not have to salute officers when they are, when uh, he does not have to salute officer when he is not in uniform. Once a year, soldier gets free railway passes. Singular. Soldiers, singular. So soldier. Soldier gets, here it is, gets free railway passes to go home. But he must travel in uniform. तो यहाँ पे he है. चाहे हम he काम में लें, चाहे यहाँ पे ही काम में लें, तभी भी must as it is रहेगा. तो must जो है, मॉडल्स जो है, they don't get affected by the use of persons. इधर देखिए आप, he must travel in uniform. Fine. Once a year, soldiers get free railway pass. Now, some cinemas sell tickets at lower rates to soldiers, but some cinemas sell tickets at lower rate to soldier, but he, here और have की जगह क्या आ जाएगा, has. He has to be in uniform. Has और have वाला difference आएगा, otherwise meaning remain the same. So some cinemas sell tickets at lower rates, but he has to be in uniform to claim the, to soldier in to claim the concession. तो ये जो हमने अभी एक्सरसाइज करी है, जो रूल पढ़े हैं, सो यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि मस्ट और हैव टू में बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या है, ऑब्लिगेशन का और हैबिट का. और मस्ट, नो मैटर विच पर्सन we are using, must, the use of the person remain the same, sorry, use of must remain the same, लेकिन have to का यूज में लेते हुए सिंगुलर के साथ has आ जाएगा और प्लूरल के साथ have आ जाएगा. आप कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन इट.